Hello guys, in this video we are going to make Spiderman mask with moving eyes without any electronics. You can trace or print this template in a sheet of paper. Make sure to select A4 size. You can check out the description box for this free template. Now transfer this template on piece of cardboard. To cut cardboard, I will be using this paper cutter. Mix paper glue with water. Applying it with tissue makes the frame very hard. This is very time-consuming process, but it is worth the wait. It took me around 24 hours to completely dry and get this hard frame. To color this, you can use either spray paint or fabric paint. By doing this, you can trace exact inner design for the eyes. Add 0.5 cm of additional allowance. Since paper is very fragile, I will be using this thin piece of cardboard. I will spray paint this with glossy red. This woolen thread was painted with red to make web pattern across this mask. Free templates for all the parts is given in description box. Make sure to check it out. I use fish wire and a tube of cardboard to make moving mechanism. With this mechanism, now I can only close the eyes. Hence, to open the eyes, I will be adding 4 pieces of rubber band on either side of these pieces. Now I can open and close the eyes by pulling the string. This mosquito mesh was used to make inner mesh of the eyes. I got this strap from my old backpack. I hope you enjoyed my video. Show your support by likes and shares. Thank you for watching.
Up to here, same steps should be followed from previous project. Well, these are the changes.